Hey, what's up guys? We're going to be replacing the air filter element on my 2013 Audi S6. It's a really straightforward procedure. The only thing you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a very small amount of mechanical know-how. First step is to loosen this top clamp right here. And the next clamp on the accordion. You can either use a 7mm socket or a flathead screwdriver. It's super easy. And then if you look down here, this guy's got a little bit of a tab on him. You're gonna lift up that tab and you're gonna twist towards the intake boot. And two. Okay, now, so we lift up on the tab's already been loosened up and released from behind there, in case you missed that. Just lift up on that guy, push slightly towards, and then you're gonna twist it towards the back of the car and lift straight out. You got these little locking tabs here that make installation and removal kind of a no-brainer. Next step, we're gonna pull out the air filter element, the old one. We're gonna look inside, got a little debris in there. We're gonna clean that debris out and we'll be right back with you. Vacuum cleaner is probably gonna be the best course of action to get that out of there. It'll help prevent getting your next filter all dirty. But if you look down in here, you see that little tab there, little circular tab. That's going to center up right in the middle of your new filter. So when you go back together, it's going to be really straightforward and simple. You just want to make sure that that gets on there. I'm going to cut the video here and be right back with you shortly after I get that cleaned out. All right, got the air box all cleaned out. No more debris in there. Take out the new filter element. Put the big hole towards the top. Center it up inside on that nipple in there. Admire your old dirty filter that's outgoing. The next thing you're gonna do is I like to get these guys kind of settled on in just slightly into those hoses there. And then you're gonna line up these little tabs with the slots around the center while also centering the air filter in the middle of that circle, the large circle there. Needed a second set of hands to get it, but going back together is pretty much the opposite of installation. I got the filter element centered up on the hole that leads to the twin inlets for the turbochargers there. And then the last step was to, after I got those little slots lined up, I just had to twist this back into place until this latch right here gets on the other side of that guy there. Then you tighten up your hose clamps and you're done. I did slice my hand a little bit, so might not be a bad idea to wear some protective gloves to protect your hands from getting any cuts. And that's that. Super easy. Have a good day.